50 .NET interview questions. Every single one asked in real interviews. From fresher to senior level. C# Fundamentals, ASP.NET Core, EF Core, Design Patterns, Async, and Security. With simple, clear answers. Bookmark this video and watch it before every interview. Let's go! Section 1. C# Fundamentals. Questions 1 through 10. Every .NET developer must know these cold. Q1, value type versus reference type. Value types like int are copied on assignment. Reference types like classes share the same memory location. Q2, ref, out, and in parameters for passing by reference. Q3, abstract class versus interface. Abstract gives shared implementation, interface is a pure contract. Q4, sealed class prevents inheritance entirely. Know these differences precisely. Section 2. C# Advanced. Questions 11 through 20. These are senior-level questions on async, LINQ, and delegates. Q11, async and await free the thread while waiting on I/O, so your server can handle more requests. Q12, func returns a value, action returns void, predicate returns bool. Q13, IEnumerable executes in memory, IQueryable executes on the database server side. Q14, yield return enables deferred lazy evaluation, only computing values when needed. Section 3. ASP.NET Core. Questions 21 through 28. Asked in 90% of .NET interviews. Q21, middleware runs for every HTTP request and pipeline order matters. Authentication before authorization before controllers. Q22, DI lifetimes. Singleton is one instance for the whole app. Scoped is one per HTTP request. Transient is a new instance every injection. Q24, minimal APIs are a lightweight alternative to controllers, great for simple endpoints. Section 4. Entity Framework Core. Questions 29 through 35. Senior devs must nail these. Q29, eager loading uses include to load related data in one join query. Lazy loading loads on property access. Q30, code first you design the model and EF generates the database. Database first you reverse engineer from existing tables. Q31, global query filters automatically apply to every query, perfect for soft delete. Q32, AsNoTracking gives faster read-only queries because EF does not track changes. Section 5. Design Patterns. Questions 36 through 40. These questions separate junior from senior developers. Q36, repository pattern abstracts database access behind an interface, making code testable. Q37, CQRS separates reads from writes. MediaTR makes implementing it simple with commands and queries. Q38, Singleton pattern ensures one instance per app lifetime, registered with add singleton in .NET DI. Q39, factory pattern creates objects based on a type or condition without exposing creation logic. Section 6. Security and Authentication. Questions 41 through 45. Every senior .NET developer must know these. Q41, JWT is stateless token-based auth. The token has three parts, header, payload, and signature. Validate all three on every request. Q43, CQRS controls which origins can call your API. Always whitelist specific origins, never use wildcard in production. Q44, SQL injection prevention. Never concatenate strings into SQL. EF Core always uses parameterized queries automatically. Section 7. Performance Optimization. Questions 46 through 50. These answers impress interviewers. Q46, Caching Strategies. Use memory cache for single server, Redis for distributed systems. Q47, async is for I/O-bound work like database calls. Parallel is for CPU-bound work like image processing. Q48, The n+1 problem happens when you load a list then access a navigation property in a loop, causing n extra queries. Fix it with include to get one join query instead. Section 8. System design questions asked in senior .NET developer interviews. Design a URL shortener. Post to /shorten generates a 6-character code stored in Redis. Get with the code does a Redis lookup and redirects. 1 million requests per day is about 12 per second, which is easy for .NET. Scale with a load balancer, Redis cache, and async message queue. Use microservices when your team is larger than 10 developers with different deployment and scaling needs. Section 9. Tricky questions that catch developers off guard. Calling .result on an async method causes a deadlock in ASP.NET. Always use await instead. Throw versus throw X. Throw preserves the original stack trace. Throw X resets it, losing the root cause. Boxing converts a value type to an object on the heap. Unboxing casts it back. These are small but critical details that separate Sharp developers from average ones. Section 10. Behavioral questions. Use the star method for every single one. Situation, set the context briefly. Task, your specific responsibility. Action, exactly what you did. Result, a measurable outcome plus what you learned. Practice 5-star stories before every interview. Tell me about a complex bug. How do you handle deadline pressure? Describe a code review disagreement. Real examples with specific numbers win interviews every time. 50 questions covered. See Sharp fundamentals all the way to system design. Save this video and watch it before every .NET interview. Practice with real code, not just theory. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more .NET content. Comment below your toughest interview question and I will answer it. You have got this.